Goa, a land of natural beauty, has been known since ages for mankind. Connected to India and distant lands of globe, Goa has been continuously attracting voyagers, travelers, merchants as well as devotees. Known for the temples and shrines as the Konkan Kashi, the Portuguese made an attempt to transform Goa into Rome of the East. Goa is a small landmass situated in between the west coast and the western Ghats of India. Goa's sea, rivers, mountains, and forests offer shelter to the wide range of biological and zoological wealth. Tiger, the big cat, is in the apex of food chain. Goa is known for the tigers, leopards, crocodiles, sloth bears, sharks, birds, butterflies, insects, and varied forms of life. Tiger is the majestic animal respected culturally, religiously by Goans irrespective of caste, tribes, and creed, worshipped in the temples as the Vagrodev. The folk drama like Zagor, Ranmali, as well as various rituals pay gratitude to the Lord of the jungle. Varied forms of Durga in stone sculpture is shown seated on the tiger. The tribals as well as other forest dwellers recognize the presence of tigers and perform various rituals for protecting their lives, livelihood, and livestock. The wildlife sanctuaries of the Netravali, Khotigao, Bhagwan Mahavir, and the Mhadei and the Molem National Park has indicated on various occasions the presence of tigers. Goa is the favorable breeding land as well as the natural habitat for the tigers since ages. By protecting tigers, thirst quenching water and life sustaining oxygen have been thrived. The Myristica swamp vegetation nestled in few patches of Sangem and Sattari reminds the heritage of the Gondwana. One of the oldest rock formation of Tronjonomite gneiss from Anmod of Dharbandoda and Paololi of Kankon throws light on the rich geological history of Goa. Today, Goa has gained fame as a tropical paradise. The crystal clear water of river Mhadai originating in the lap of the Western Ghats and the population of herbivorous animals have been attracting the big cat. In 2009, when a tiger was killed, and in 2020, incident of killing of 4 tigers by poisoning was revealed. The conservationists came to know about Goa's potentiality as a tiger habitat. The pastoral community who are living in the forest of Sahyadri repeatedly become victims of tiger attacking their domesticated animals. Surla, Satre, Golavli are the villages where tigers prefer to live in the jungle. When the threat of global warming and climate change looming over the coastal state of Goa, it is essential for the Goans to forget all differences to make the planned efforts for protection and conservation of the lush green forest. A chain of well-equipped, well-trained and dedicated forest personnel having cordial relationship with the forest dwellers will certainly help in protecting the tigers. Creation of tiger force, establishment of anti-poaching camps, installation of watchtowers and curtailing encroachment and interference in the natural habitat is needed. Unnecessary entry in the pristine core area of the tiger should be avoided by curtailing haphazards and undisciplined initiative of ecotourism. The tiger is among the most popular of the world's charismatic megafauna featured in Goa's mythology and culture. The largest species of cat in the world, Tigers are powerful hunter of deer, bisons and of wild boars. As apex predator, tiger play an important role in maintaining the health of our ecosystem. Decreasing number of ungulates force tiger to prey on domestic livestock, thereby intensifying conflict with locals. Goa is the jewel in the crown of Mother India. To protect this honor, the survival of the tiger and wildlife is the need of the hour. Let us work together to protect this most iconic big cat present in the Madhai Wildlife Sanctuary and the vicinity.
Wow.